to talk. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ibrahim. How are you doing? Good?
Fine.
Okay, that's good. So this morning, our first period for today, we're starting with math. Okay? So I shared the screen already. Can you see the screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Now I cannot see it.
Now you cannot see it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share again.
Hang up this. Hang up this.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So today we will be talking about comparing weight. Comparing weight. So we will be comparing weight today. And the things you need are your Math Learner's Book, page 81, Math Learner's Book, page 81, math sheet, a pencil, and an eraser. Math Learner's Book, page 81, math worksheet, pencil, and an eraser. Do we have that on our tables? Okay, so let's continue. So our learning objectives for today is a compare the weight of some objects. Use comparative words, heavier and lighter. So we're going to be comparing objects. Okay? We're going to be comparing objects, and likewise, I want you to use some objects at home so we can compare if actually you understood the topic. We're going to compare the weight of some objects. And also, we are still going to use the comparative words, heavier and lighter. I remember we did comparative words in English. Fast, faster, heavy, heavier, light, lighter. I can remember we did that in English. So my expectations for you at the end of this is for you to be able to compare the weight of objects, objects at home and objects on our board work. So that is my expectations for you at the end of this lesson, to be able to compare weight of some objects. Now let's see, what is weight all about? What it says, this means the quality on how heavy or light it is. So when we are talking about weight, it's all about the quality on how something is heavy or something is light. Something is heavy or something is light. Now, let's see, who can give me an example of two things, comparing two things? Either one is heavy and one is light. Now, let me see who can give me an example. Raise your hands up. Who can give me an example?
The mobile, the laptop heavy.
So the mobile did what? The mobile did what?
Oh, nice.
The mobile is lighter than? Who else wants to give me another example?
And then as the phone.
A pen and?
A phone.
Pen and a phone. That's good, Mama. Who else wants to give me another example? Another fancy. Can you give me another example, please?
What question?
Huh?
What question? The cup is heavy.
Yes.
What? The cup is light and the job is
And it's
Light.
what, Baba?
heavy.
Hey,
Light up.
that's it. Who else wants to give me another example?
The paper is light.
Yes.
The cup is heavy. Teacher.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Is that Hatim? Thank you, Hatim. Thank you so much. Okay, one more try. One more try. Who else? One more try, and then let's move on. Who else wants to give me another example?
Which pen?
Page 81. Page 81. Yes, Jana. Jana, talk to me.
Telephone and pencil.
Phone and a pencil. Okay. That's good. That's good, Kama. Good.
Watermelon heavy. Pepsi and TV.
Okay. Now let's continue. Okay, so let's continue. Now let's look here. Let's open to our learner's book, page 81. Learner's book, page 81. Remember your date, please. I want you to write your date. Your date. Write the date of today. 16th February. 16th February 2021. Or 16 to 2021. Good. So now you say weight comparison. Weight comparison. Now let's look here. You can see three children. They have different objects or items in front of them. So now they have light and they have heavy. They have, who is that with which page? Page 81. Page 81. Now it says you can see the kids with different objects. So they put them in two separate groups. They have a heavy and they have a light. And the light object. Now they say, where would you place these? Where would you place these? Heavy or light? It's the question. Where would you place this? Heavy or light? Now let's look at the objects here. Let's look at the objects here. I want you to help me out to tell me where you will place these objects. Oh, watermelon. Where will you place watermelon?
Heavy.
Fruit.
Watermelon. Where will you place watermelon?
Fruit.
Heavy.
Jana? Heavy. Okay. Jana? Okay.
Heavy.
Where will you place the car?
Miss, what is mean heavy?
Okay, heavy. We're talking about the weight of something. Let's say, for example,
Heavy.
a seal. 1 minute. When you talk about heavy, who is that, please? When you talk of heavy, a seal, we're talking about the weight of something. Okay. Let's say, for example, a seal. When you carry your school bag, your school bag, is it light? Can you lift your school bag up? I see. Can you lift up your school bag when you have all your books inside? Can you lift it up?
Yeah.
A little bit, but you have to try to lift it up, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now, when we talk about now light, look at your pencil. Can you lift up your pencil?
Yeah.
Do you find it difficult to lift up your pencil?
No.
No. But you find it difficult to lift up your school bag, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Because your school bag has too much weight, which is heavy. Your school bag has too much weight, which is heavy. But your pencil doesn't have that amount of weight. That makes it light. Okay, Mama?
Okay.
So now we are comparing two things. We are comparing two objects, okay? Get the weight of the two objects. So one of them must be heavy and one of them must be light, okay? One must be heavy and one must be light. Do you get it now, Asif?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama. So now you say we have different objects here. They're asking you, where would you place these objects? Is it heavy or light? Okay. Look at these objects. Where would you place them? We have a watermelon. We have a strawberry, apple, carrots, paper, bread, chips, jam, juice, and a can. Now, they want you to place this. Which one is heavy and which is light? The one that is light, you write L. You write L on it, L. And the one that is heavy, you put H on it. I repeat again. Which of them is light and which of them is heavy? The one that is heavy, I want you to write H on it. And the one that is light, I want you to write L.
Answer.
Okay. So let's look at the paper. Is the paper light or heavy?
Heavy.
The paper, Mama.
Light.
Light. The paper is light. Now let's look at the chips. Is the chip heavy or light?
Light.
Light. Good.
Light.
Good.
Next.
Light. Let's look at the strawberry. Is it light or heavy?
Light. Light.
Light.
Light.
Good. So now I'm giving you examples, so you have to continue with it, okay? Now, I want you to complete this. You have to complete this, okay? Now, let's see the next slide. Now, this activity, I will want you to do this activity. I want you to do this activity because I'm going to grade it. So I want you to do this activity. Make a short video. Make a short video to explain the different ways. Okay? Now let's see. It says activity. Make your own weighting scale and find some objects to weigh. Make your own weighting scale and find some objects to weigh. Now you can use the hanger. You can use the hanger, and you can use the plastic cup. Okay. You can use the hanger, ropes, and a cup, a plastic cup, so you can be able to weigh different objects. You'll be able to weigh different objects. I would like you to do this, and then you explain. Use examples of different objects, okay? Of different objects. Now, let's look here. The next slide. So please remember, do this and send me a video of it, okay? Explaining yourself. Now, we have this. Which is heavier? Who can tell me which one is heavier?
The pencil.
Guys.
The pencil. Who says the pencil?
Actually,
Ibrahim. Ibrahim, you want to say something?
the pencil.
Yes. You said the pencil. Why do you think the pencil is heavier than the feather?
Because it's going down.
Because it's weighing down. Excellent. Thank you so much. Because it's weighing down. Let's see if your answer is correct. Yay, pencil. It's correct. Yes, pencil is correct. Now let's see the next one. Which is lighter? Which is lighter?
The shell.
The seashell. Why do you think the seashell?
Because it's going up.
Because on the scale it's going up. Good. That's good. You can see because the book has so much weight, so it pulls the shell up. The shell is up. Thank you so much. Let's see if your answer is correct. Yay, the seashell is correct. Okay, let's look for another one. We have, which is heavier, the crayon or the jam jar?
Jam
Jam jar. Why do you think the jam jar is heavier? Because it's weighing down. Because it's weighing down. That's good.
It's too late. I know. Yes, I know. I tell you.
Ibrahim, Abdurrahman, are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's look here. Let's see. It says, how many cubes does it take to balance the scales?
Four.
None. Balance the scale. How many?
Let's go down.
Who said 4?
Four.
How do you know it's 4? How do you know it's 4?
Yes.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Can I talk to somebody?
Can you do what, Ibrahim?
Can I talk to somebody?
Okay, Baba. Now, how do you know it's 4? How do you know it's 4? Because for me, I think maybe it's 5, 6, 7. How do you know it's 4?
Because we counted.
Because we counted it. That's good. Because you counted it. That's good. So now let's see if your answer is correct.
Yes, it's too late. I know.
Ibrahim, Abdurrahman. 4 is correct. Yay, thumbs up to you guys. Good. Now let's look here. How many cubes does it take to balance this cube?
8.
No. It's not 8. It's 10. It's 10. It's 10. It's not 8. How do you know it's 8? Tell me if you're correct. How do you know?
We counted.
Because you counted it. Okay, that's good. So let me count again to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Thank you so much because you counted it. That's good. Yay! 8 is correct. That's good. Now let's see this one.
14.
Abdurrahman, you can't just get the answers like that.
I not counted. I said 14. 12.
Abdurrahman, are you sure it's 14?
Yes.
How do you know it's 14?
Because we counted.
Okay, Abdurrahman, count for us.
14.
Abdurrahman, I want you to count for us. It might be 16 or 17.
What?
14.
14. Because you counted. Class.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's continue. It's because we are having a discussion. That's why your mics are unmuted, okay? So you have to be quiet. Now, let's see if your answer is correct. Yay! 14. Good. Okay. Now, let's look at this worksheet. Now, I sent the worksheet already. Mom is going to print it out.
I made it now. I made it now. I made it.
You doing it? Thank you so much.
I don't
Okay, let's look at this worksheet. It says circle the lighter. The first section is circle the lighter. Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim.
I finished number one. I finished number one.
That's good. Ibrahim, you wanted to say something.
Is there?
Tia, Kama, you have the worksheet?
I had it. No, I had.
From where, Miss Tammy? We can't get it.
I sent the worksheet, ma'am. Maybe you can
I finished number one.
you can download the worksheet later and do it, please.
I finished number one.
Okay, that's good. Abdurrahman, that's good. Thank you so much. Kama, can you see the worksheet? Can you see the worksheet? No. Yeah, mommy's gonna print it, but can you see it on the PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Can you try and do it? Look at it and try and do it before mommy gives you the worksheet so you can do it. Abdallah Farsi. Abdallah, can I see you, please?
I will solve it, and when
Elephant is heavy. Elephant is heavy.
Abdallah? Yes, Baba, talk to me, my love. Tell me, talk to me. Abdallah, you said the elephant what? Which one is the lighter one? Which is the lighter one?
ده آخرة اللعب.
Butterfly is lighter. The second one.
ده آخرة اللعبة في اللعب.
Good. The pencil is lighter. And the last one?
تحلفش بالله. ما تحلفش بالله.
What number two? Number two. Certain what right or heavy.
Abdurrahman, I'm coming. The pencil is lighter. Let's look at the last one. We have the house and the computer. Which one is lighter?
Computer.
The computer is lighter. Good. Now we have the second activity. It says circle behavior. Circle behavior. So the first one, the mouse and the dog. Which one is behavior?
The dog is heavy. The dog.
The dog is behavior.
I finished it. Dog heavy. Dog heavy.
Good. Now let's look at the next one. We have this.
Bat. The bat. I finished that.
Which one is heavier? The second one.
The bat.
Good. Now the third one. Which one is heavier? The boy and the plane.
The plane.
Okay. That's good. Now they say, look at the last section. They say order from the lighter to the heavier. They want you to order these things from the lighter to the heavier. So which one are we going to start first?
Lighter.
Which one is the heat?
The
Which one
lighter.
is? Yes, they said order from the lighter to the heavier. So we have a cat, a tree, a plane, and a feather. Which one are we going to start first?
I start liver.
Which one are we going to start with? The feather. Good. And the second one? The cat. Good. And the third one?
The tree.
The tree. Good. And the fourth?
Tree. And the aeroplane.
And the plane. That's good. Bravo. Bravo. That's good. Excellent. That's good. So now, I'm going to stop sharing, okay? Ryan, you haven't said anything yet. Ryan, I'm going to stop sharing, okay? Now, so you can see me. Stop sharing. Now, look at this. Okay. Class, class, class.
Yes.
Quickly, I want you to go. I want you to grab 2 objects. Ryan, I want you to grab 2 objects in your house so we can compare the weight. Okay? Look for 2 objects in the house. Quickly, everybody, quickly. Look for 2 objects we can compare the weight. Which one is heavy and which one is lighter? Quickly, quickly.
يلا إما مش بتقول لك في البيت in the home which one is lighter and heavier? Choose in the home.
Kamal, go look for 2 objects at home. So we check the weight, okay? Which one is heavy and which one is lighter?
This guy.
Abdurrahman, you got your objects?
Yes.
Okay, Abdurrahman, show me please. Show me. Quickly. And tell me which one is heavy and which one is lighter.
This heavy and this light.
I can't see you, Baba.
See the
Abdurrahman, I can't see you.
see.
This light and this heavy. This light.
Abdurrahman is talking.
This
Yes.
heavy and this light.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Ibrahim, please. Now your turn. Ibrahim.
No, I'm in the
Ibrahim. Jana. Jana, you want to give an example?
The pen is less. And
The table
Yes, Fafi.
is lighter. The toy car is heavy.
Thank you so much. Jana, Jana. Give me an example now, Jana.
I have someone in my house. His name is David.
Yes. The pen is light. And what else, Mama? What is heavy?
The toy car is heavier.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Excellent. Thank you. That's great. Good. Now, Ryan, I need your example quickly. Ryan, I need your example quickly. Ryan, I need your own example. Jana has given her example. Abdullah has given. Abdurrahman has given. Now, Ryan, I want you to give me an example quickly.
Me too.
What?
Me too. I give you that. Mine. Why?
Thank you so much, Ryan. Thank you. Tia. Tia.
The table is. Guys. Guys.
Tia. I can hear you, Mama.
The table is heavy than the spoon.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. Where is Murad? Murad.
Victoria and a cup. Guys.
Murad, give me an example quickly, Baba. Give me an example, Murad. Yes? I see. I see.
بتتفق على حاجة. بكتيريا أنا
Yes. Where are the objects? Let me see the objects that are heavy and the objects that are light. Which one? Let me. I can hear you. Remember, we're recording, okay? Remember, we are recording.
Teacher.
Okay, that's good. Yes, Tia.
I'm not in my house.
You're not at home. Okay, no problem, Mama.
I'm lighter. Is ringing the bell. Name is water.
Okay, I see.
I have bacteria and a cup.
Okay, Mama, tell me which one is heavy and which one is light.
This is light and this is heavy.
Excellent, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. Everybody, thumbs up. Everybody, thumbs up. Now, good, 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 good.
I
Okay.
made thumbs up.
So Ibrahim, please, I need you to give me an answer, please. I want two objects. Ibrahim, give me two objects and tell me which one is heavy and which one is light.
The guy is going around. He's grabbing the balloon.
Ryan.
Stop
Ibrahim.
doing this, Stop.
Ibrahim. Abdallah. Can you give me another example? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Woo! Thumbs up, Abdallah. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, that's good. Now that's good. I can see you've met the expectation of the lesson for today. So now I want everybody to give me boogie boogie. Boogie, everybody. Everybody stand up and give me boogie 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 boogie. Boogie 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 boogie. Abdurrahman, I need to see you boogie boogie boogie. Everybody boogie.
They're not coming open.
Okay. So now we've come to
Oh.